The Japanese slipper. It sounds like it's named after some ancient torture device, or a 1950s S&M club attended by politicians, that squeaky clean celebrity who was always on TV when you were growing up, and your grandparents' favourite sinner. One thing most of us could agree on, it looks like an interesting drink, not something you want to drink in a pub with a flat roof, but it's really simple and easy to make, and it's a bit of a sweet and sour number. The ingredient lineup: Midori, Cointreau or triple sec, and fresh lemon juice. Let's kick off the proceedings by the 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of Midori to our shaker. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of Cointreau or triple sec. Lastly, add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of lemon juice, and remember, always keep it fresh. Add ice to our shaker and shake this for around 10 to 15 seconds. History-wise, this is actually an Australian drink, and it was found in Melbourne around 1984. It was made by who I assume was a Frenchman named Jean-Paul Bourguignon at Mietta's restaurant. Double strain this into a glass of your choice. These are usually served in martini glasses, which I'm not fans of, and I think due to the amount of liquid in it all, I suggest you go over Nick and Nora. With the garnish, we're going to go with one of these brilliant red cherries. A lot of people like to do the eye in the glass serial killer look, which I suppose gives you a boozy cherry. I'm a bit more OCD-ish and always like to place mine on the pick, but the choice is up to you. The taste test. This is excellent and it's really easy to make. You've got to remember it's just 3 ingredients, 1 ounce of each, really simple and effective. It is really sweet, but it's a bit sour as well at the same time. It reminds me a bit of some sweets you'd have when you were a kid. The Cointreau and the lemon definitely bring a sour dryness to it all, which complements the Midori. But it's an excellent drink. I could easily drink quite a lot of these, but I'll probably need a pint of Gaviscon afterwards.